today we are going to assemble the Momeasy Manual Breast Pump. For you that have been here for a while, you know that when I was breastfeeding or when I was pumping, I used the Avent Manual Breast Pump. But this time, it is my sister that is expecting, and yeah, she purchased this pump so that when the right time comes, she can always use it. It comes with a manual. This is the manual. It has a lots of things. Let's start with the cover. This is the cover. This is the massage cushion. So this is the silicone dial form. This is the stem. This is the handle. This is the pump body, obviously. So the white valves. It comes with an extra one just in case feeding bottle. This is the Momeasy feeding bottle. This is our nipple. This is our bottle cup. Screw ring. This is the travel cover. I'm gonna show you each and every party's importance on the breast pump. And then finally the sealing disc. First of all, we shall get our pump body. So we first assemble the pump body itself before. Then I'm talking about the time when you are ready to pump. If you're like, yeah, my breasts, my boobs are ready to pump. So we get our body and get the cushion. Cushion goes right here, so you place it gently here. Make sure it fits on well. Then the next step, we shall put the silicone cap with stem right here. You come and place it very well here. Yeah, like that. Perfect. The next thing we shall do, we shall get the bottom, the arm, or the handle. This is the handle, and you see that hole right there? It is the hole that will have to go into the stem of the silicone. So you make sure it fits in very well like that. The next step is the valve. So where the valve goes down here. It helps to filter out, I guess, the milk, because it looks like sort of a filter. It has something like a filter down here. So you fix it down here. The bottle, you fix the bottle like this. And this is the whole mechanism that you're going to need while pumping. So how is it used? You will get this, place it on your breast like this, and then start pumping like this. The milk is going to be coming from your breast straight to the bottle here, right down here. You must be wondering what will happen with the rest of the parts that I showed you earlier. So after pumping, you can always remove the bottle gently because you don't want to pour your hard fetched milk. So you can remove the bottle gently, place your pump aside. If you're going to travel with the milk, you will have to use the travel cup. Yes. So you get this, and then the screw ring. You place into the screw ring like this, and then you cover on the bottle so that it doesn't have any air coming in, and the milk is perfectly safe. Even if it does what, it will not pour. So this will help you if you're going to be traveling with the milk. You know, there are moms that pump to travel with the milk or pump for storage. So this can also work as a storage container. That is, if you do not have the storage container or the storage packs, you can always use your bottles. I guess you can purchase this. I'm not really sure about that, but yeah. This is how you store your milk for later use, or if you're going to be traveling with it, still the same thing. You are pumping to feed. Instead of using the travel cup, you will have to use the nipple. Fix it in like this, and then cover. And then they are just resting. You can always cover it with a bottle cap. Same applies to the travel. You can use the bottle cap like this. And then cover like so. Perfect. So what we haven't seen is the cap. So you will use the cap to cover on the pump like this. See? Perfect. Pretty. Then yeah, the last one, this can be used to cover down here like this. Perfect. That is all you need. This is all you will find in the Momeasy Breast Pump. If you're a mother and you're interested in this kind of content, motherhood education generally, you can always go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you get all the information that you need. If you're new here, you as well can go ahead and subscribe, like, tap the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. I hope you go and check out all the rest of the videos that are relating to pumping, because I've covered pumping as a topic, when to pump, how to pump, comparing pumping and breastfeeding. All those videos are available on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.